Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. From the previous question, we're going to change the elevation to 1,501 meters, the pressure to 84.5 kPa, and the temperature to 95 degrees Celsius. The power for the burner is the same as the efficiency. Here is the previous question. We're going to go over it a little bit quicker. If you are unsure, go to the previous question because that explains things a little bit more clearer. So step 1, draw a free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the mass of evaporation formula. Power divided by the enthalpy of evaporation. This is the only one that changes. Power remains the same, so the enthalpy of evaporation changes. Step 4, find the power to boil water, so it's the efficiency multiplied by the power of the burner. Step 5, plug and play as previous. It's 2.44 kilojoules per second. We need this unit to convert it properly for the final answer. Step 6, go to your water ready table, go to 95 degrees Celsius. Previously it was 100. So the enthalpy of evaporation, HFG, is 2,269.6 kilojoules per kilogram. A slight difference from the previous question. Step 7, plug and play. So you got your power, and then you got your enthalpy of evaporation. So your mass flow rate of evaporation for water boiling is 3.87 kilojoules per hour. Previously, at 100 degrees Celsius, the mass flow rate of evaporation was 3.89. So there's a difference of 0.02. Alright. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Snipping Tool button and hit the Start button. Wait for the countdown. Hit the Replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording. And then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.